Here I have HUAWEI P10, and today I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock apps with fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you will have to go to settings, then to the security and privacy, fingerprint ID. Firstly, what you will have to do is to add a fingerprint to your device. If you have no idea how to add fingerprint, you can find the video tutorial about it on our channel. Watch it, add fingerprint, then come back here. So here, when you added a fingerprint, when you're in fingerprint ID section, here you have to enable this feature access app lock. Then you have to tap enable. Then you have to select backup app lock password. You can set the same as the lock screen password, or you can set custom pin. I'll just go with this one. And then to lock apps, you have to go to the security and privacy, then to the app lock, use password, enter your password, and here you can lock apps. Let's lock, for example, Google Chrome, no idea, maybe files, gallery, messaging, music. And as you can see now, I can't access Google Chrome without my fingerprint, but with it I can. The same goes to messages and other apps which I added a while ago. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.